Hey guys, I want to go over soil, its composition, formation, profile, and texture. The study of soil is called pedology. So, pedology is soil science. What's the importance of soil? Well, soil is the loose layer that covers the earth. It's important in Earth's ecosystem. Plants and animals need soil. It's the source of raw materials and, of course, human habitat. Those are only few of the many importance of soil. The four major components of soil are inorganic minerals, organic matter, water, and air. 45% of soil composition is inorganic mineral matter. 5% organic matter, also called that humus, and 50%, the remaining 50% is for water and air. There's always a misconception that soil has no air. Air is part of soil component. So it's not just water and inorganic and organic matter. Whenever we think of soil, we always associate it with humus and loam. But what's the difference between the two? Humus is composed of decaying plants and dead and living microorganisms, while loam is a mixture of sand, silt, and humus. These two are very important in planting or growing crops. Now let's understand how soil is formed. There are four factors in soil formation. The first one is the parent material. Second is the time. Third is climate. And four are the organisms present in it. Parent material is the material that soil develops from. This is very important in determining the properties of soil. It has direct impact on soil chemistry and fertility. For example, the parent material in that particular soil layer is sedimentary rock. So if the parent material is sedimentary rock, it's very likely that sand and some loose particles will be more prominent in that particular soil layer. The second factor is time. Development, not the chronological age, determines the soil's age. And over time, vegetation and climate act on parent material and topography. The third factor is climate. Climate determines vegetation cover. The rate of weathering of rocks to become soil is different in polar, temperate, and tropical. So let's proceed to the last factor, the organism. If you see an earthworm in the garden, do not kill the earthworm. That's an indication that the soil is fertile. Let's proceed to the soil profile. So what is a soil profile? Like our own profile, soil also has its own characteristics and features. Soil varies in composition, texture, structure, and color at different depths. And these variations divide soil into zones called horizons. Okay? R horizon, C horizon, B horizon, A horizon, and O horizon. R horizon is where you can find unweathered parent material, so that's the bedrock. And on top of that is the C horizon, where you could see little organic material or life. The C horizon is where this parent material started to break apart into smaller pieces. B horizon is called the zone of accumulation. You can see here some fragments of rocks found in C horizon and also a combination of roots and other organic matter that get through from A horizon. This is also called subsoil. On top of that is the A horizon. This is the plow zone. This is very rich in organic matter, So you can find lots of humus here. In O horizon, you can find leaf litter and organic material. To apply our concepts learned in soil layers, we're going to make a terrarium. So this is your soil profile project. The objectives of this project are: should be able to make a terrarium showing a soil profile, should be able to label and explain the soil horizons, you have to explain the importance of leaching, we're going to explain the role of weathering and erosion in soil formation. Materials that you have to use are rocks, big and small sizes, transparent jar, sand, plant, or any landscape decorations that you want to add. This is optional, so you don't need to buy those stuff. You're going to draw your design and you have to label the parts. For the analysis part, you're going to answer these questions. Number one, which layer is O, topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and bedrock in your project? Number two, which layer contains the most humus? Number three, what layer has little organic matter? Number four, what is the name of the process by which water carries materials from the upper to lower layers? Why is this process important? Number five, where is the layer where worms and insects break down organic matter? Six, where is the layer where bedrock is being weathered? Number seven, how far into the soil do plants' roots extend? Number eight, what are the factors that affect the thickness of the layers and soil composition? And then you have to conclude. After 2 weeks, you're going to reflect about the growth of your plant. You're going to explain if it survived, if not, why, and you're going to share your output in Canvas. Now let's watch the video that I made for you on how to make a terrarium showing a soil profile. After watching the video, you can now gather all the material for the project.